Well, Simba and I have been pretty hard pressed trying to find good hiking trails around Fort Lauderdale. It seems like everything is like a natural area and you can't have dogs over there. Poor Simba. So anyways, we did find one. It's in Boca Raton. It's called the Rio Trail, and that's where we're headed now, and we'll see you over there. Hi, I'm Ash, and this is Simba, and we're Life on Paws and Wheels.
That's life on the road. This is life on Paws and Wheels.
Simba and I have made it out here to the El Rio Trail. It's a long one. It's like a little over 7 miles, and it's pretty hot outside in this Florida heat. So I don't know if we're going to complete the whole thing, but Simba and I are certainly going to give it a try, aren't we, bud? And we hope that you enjoy the tour coming up, and we'll see you on the other side. The bark means that we're at the end of the line. Well, end of the line being maybe like halfway. It was a little bit hot out here, so especially for this guy. So we decided to cut it a little bit short, but we hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more of me and Simba the Adventure Pup as we travel across the country, checking out campgrounds, parks, and trails. We'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws and Wheels.